how to connect Wix to Facebook Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will show you how you will be able to connect your Wix Shop website and connect it with your Facebook Shop so you can integrate or sync the different products that you're selling. So over here, as you can see, I'm currently in the dashboard of our store. So what we're going to do is we're going to look over here on the left side. We're going to click on our apps. Now, in this apps, this is where you will be able to find all kinds of apps that you can install into or with your Wix website. So, if you're going to integrate any platform, this is where you're going to find if it's available. So, what we're going to do is just simply going to search Facebook over here, click on enter, and we will be able to see all related apps together with Facebook, or that we will be able to integrate with our Facebook. So, simply look for the correct one. So if Facebook itself, there we go. As you can see, Facebook Shop by Go Data Feed. So with this platform, you're able to connect your Facebook Shop together with our Wix. As you can see, effortless integration, easily link your store to your Facebook and Instagram store or shops in just a few clicks. So simply click on Add to Site, and you will then be able to integrate those two platforms together. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.